Which of the following results in a perfect cube? So kung alam mo na ang exponent na 3, itong exponent na 3 ay tinatawag na cube, automatically, alam mo kagad ang correct answer na letter C, 3 cube. Pero kung hindi mo alam, ang tawag sa 3 na exponent ay cube, mahihirapan kang sagutin ang tanong. So, which of the following results in a perfect cube? So, ang perfect cube, that is the result of if the number is multiplied 3 times by itself. So, halimbawa itong 3 cube, that is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So 27 is a perfect cube because it is the result of a number with cube exponent or with 3 exponent. So bakit siya tinatawag na cube? Bakit cube? Bakit hindi 3 or 3 to the power of 3? So cube dahil this is based on the formula in computing the volume of a cube. So the volume of a cube is has a formula of side raised to the power of 3. I-multiply mo 3 times by itself ang side. So, cube ang tawag dito dahil same formula ang ginagamit sa pag-compute ng volume ng cube. So, again, perfect cube is a result of a number multiplied 3 times by itself, pero dapat whole number. Lahat ng whole number na raised to cube will result in a perfect cube. Pero hindi lahat ng fraction at hindi rin lahat ng decimal numbers na nare-raise in cube will result in a perfect cube. So dito, isa lang naman yung given, yung choice, isa lang naman sa choices yung may 3 na exponent. So automatic yan na yung answer.